On behalf of the entire team of OVBS, first of all, my sincere thanks to Almighty God for making this year's event a grand success. By His blessing and grace, we were able to make the event what it was. Ribi and I would like to express our sincere, heartfelt vote of thanks to Jack Sachin, who was completely filled with enthusiasm during all 3 days and was constantly beside us as a strong pillar of power. We thank the managing committee members for checking on us every now and then and asking us how things were going and offering full support whenever required. When we asked our children what they liked most about OVBS 2021, most of the children said it was the food. We are forever grateful to the OVBS Food Committee that was led by Mr. Bijoy Matthew, whose dedication and willingness to execute the task beyond his comfort zone and busy schedule has led to the success of our event. We would also like to express a heartfelt thank you to Matthew's uncle and Sunita Ashish, who spent their busiest time gracing the OVBS event as speakers on day 2 and day 3. We were blessed to have the opportunity to hear your thoughts, which have enlightened our minds. Thank you, Matthew's uncle, for explaining to the children about the power of prayer, the importance of praying for wisdom, fellowship, and the biblical references that point out the necessity to take care of our environment. Thank you, Sunita, for instilling the confidence in our children that indeed they are special, and how beautifully you have taken them through the journey of Psalms 23. Our heartfelt thanks goes to all our teachers and volunteers who stood by us always and was ready to take on the challenges of teaching our children, even though the book syllabus was very tricky. I express my special thanks to Mrs. Babita Satish, Subi Jose and Tinsy Momin for being able to meet the expectation and demands of Tiny Tots. They were very hard. I would also like to thank Nancy teacher, who took special effort to supply little goodie bags and tiny pots of plant to her class 2 kids. The little hands were excitingly working on planting their seeds, teaching them about a life lesson, how well a seed can grow into a mighty plant. A big thanks to all our volunteers who were so ready and active in helping us with many activities. I think without the help of volunteers, we would not have been able to run this event successfully. We have also had a photo booth section that was the best fun corner of OVBS 2021. When we told Merlin Jacob about the concept, she created a masterpiece out of her imagination. This photo booth was in high demand, as you may have seen in many of our pics. Tiny Tots to adults, age no barrier. They came over to take many pics. Please give a loud round of applause to Merlin for her artistic work and her can-do attitude for everything we asked her. The only thing was that she kept asking me for the reimbursement of the expense of the frame, and I keep ignoring it. We would also like to thank our song teachers who helped the children to learn very good numbers and action songs that you all have seen on stage today. Special thanks goes to Mr. Shibu George, Jisha Biju, Ribi Blessed, Shobita Meno, and our HM Jitin Sir for the fun-filled singing sessions. Zumba was the most rocking, fun-filled event of OVBS 2021. This year, during this Zumba event, we saw the entire SGIOCB family come together, again age no barrier, age no limit, and they were dancing to their heart's fullest. Our Facebook page will soon publish some of these exciting videos. We thank Linda Sunil, Julia and Elizabeth Reggie for the best event of OVBS 2021. A loud round of applause for the wonderful ladies. What is OVBS without the support of our kids and parents? They were amazing. We need to give the biggest for our beautiful kids and their parents for supporting us and helping us run this event successfully this year. We especially thank the parents for their generous donations contributed as sponsorships this year. Many parents contributed more than what we have asked for. And for this just shows that St. George Indian Orthodox Church, Brisbane is one big united family, and we will stand strong and together for anything and everything forever. I want to say a big thank you and hug for my rock star convener Ruby, because of whom OVBS 2021 was so easy for us. Your ideas created a good spark and gave a new insight of how we should run OVBS events in the future. An event like this cannot happen overnight. The wheel started rolling months back. And as you all know, this event was supposed to be held in July. Ruby was my motivator and who kept pushing me and reminding me to do the planning as soon as possible. Ruby, your dedication, your kindness, and your cool-minded attitude is the success of OVBS 2021. I also want to thank Blessing and my husband Bobby for supporting us throughout these months. Please give a loud round of applause for my convener buddy. Thank you and enjoy the rest of your day.